In the previous video, we have studied about surface charge distribution and line charge distribution. That is electric field intensity due to line charge distribution and surface charge distribution. Now here we study electric field intensity due to volume charge distribution. So consider the figure as shown. Let us find the electric field intensity at point P, which is located at 0, 0, Z, and on the surface of the sphere, let us consider an elemental space, um, which is at a distance r bar from the point P, and the radial axis is r dash. This elemental space is located at r dash, theta dash, phi dash. Elemental volume is located at r dash, theta dash, phi dash dV, which makes an angle r dash, which makes an angle theta dash. That is, r dash axis makes an angle theta with z axis, and rho axis makes an angle phi dash with x axis. Let us consider an angle alpha, which is making r bar with z axis as shown. Now the electric field intensity at point, elemental electric field intensity at point P due to the elemental charge dq is dE bar equal to dq by 4 pi epsilon naught r square r bar, where dq equal to rho v into dv. So dE bar equal to rho v dv by 4 pi epsilon naught r square r bar, where r bar from the figure, r bar can be written as the component of Az, the component of Az bar along r bar is cos alpha Az bar, and the component of a rho bar along the r bar is a rho bar sin alpha. So therefore ar bar equal to cos alpha Az bar plus sin alpha a rho bar. Due to symmetry, the electric field in rho direction will be 0. The electric field intensity in rho direction will be 0. Finally, total electric field will be in z direction only. So therefore, Ez bar equal to E bar dot Az bar equal to volume integral rho v dv by 4 pi epsilon naught r square cos alpha. In spherical coordinate system, we know that dv equal to dr dash r dash d theta dash r dash sin theta dash d phi dash. So dv equal to r dash square sin theta dash dr dash d theta dash d phi dash. Substituting Ez bar equal to volume integral rho v r dash square sin theta dash dr dash d theta dash d phi dash cos alpha by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. By applying cosine rule in the figure, r dash square equal to z square plus r square minus 2zr cos alpha. R dash square equal to z square plus r square minus 2zr cos alpha. So from this cos alpha equal to minus r dash square plus z square plus r square by 2zr. Similarly, from the same figure, r square equal to z square plus r dash square minus 2zr dash cos theta dash. From this cos theta dash equal to z square plus r dash square minus r square by 2zr dash. On differentiating the above equation with respect to theta dash on left hand side and with respect to capital R on right hand side, minus sin theta dash d theta dash equal to minus 2r by 2z r dash dr. From this sin theta dash into d theta dash equal to r by 2z r dash dr. Here, as theta varies from 0 to pi, r ranges from z minus r dash to z plus r dash. R varies from z minus r dash to z plus r dash. Capital R ranges from z minus r dash to z plus r dash. If theta is 0, theta dash is 0, theta dash is 0, and this r equal to z minus r dash. If theta is 5, r equal to z plus r dash. Substituting cos alpha and sin theta dash, d theta dash in Ez bar equation, we get Ez equation, we get Ez equal to rho v by 4 pi epsilon naught integral phi dash equal to 0 to pi d phi dash integral r dash equal to 0 to a integral capital R equal to z minus r dash to z plus r dash square r dr by zr dash dr dash z square plus r square minus r dash square by 2zr into 1 by r square. Simplifying this, we get e bar equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught z square a z bar, which is electric field intensity due to surface charge distribution.